How to fix Viber verification code problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix the verification code problem in Viber. So if you are trying to log into your Viber account, but you are not getting the verification code, then in that case, what you need to do first is simply go ahead and open up your settings, scroll down a bit until you find the app settings, tap on it. Then go ahead and find Viber here. Tap on the search bar and then simply search for Viber. Now once you find it, tap on the app, then go to storage, and then the first thing you do is clear cache. After this, there might be a situation where your app is running in the background, so you want to completely stop that. In order to do so, tap on Force Stop and then tap on OK. Once that is done, your app will now completely be shut down from the background. So if there are any background requests going on, it will be completely stopped. Then go to permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed, including music and audio, as well as your notification, photos, and videos. So once this is done, go ahead and tap on battery. Make sure it's set to unrestricted or optimized. Then go back. And then finally, give your phone a quick restart. Doing this will allow Viber to send you a verification after the restart. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.